Okay, everybody, so it is the 11th of May, the second week. So today's words are th. So very hard for Japanese to say. Tha-tha-tha. Tha-tha-tha. Tongue on the teeth. Python. There. 30. Bath. Think. Thermometer. Path. Athlete. Thorn. And today's word is Korea. Today's country is Korea. South Korea. Where's South Korea? South Korea is over by Japan. It is here. Now today's words are blanket, pillow, carpet, curtain, pajamas, bed, and bedroom. So these are all household items. Okay, that's all for this week. Bye for now.